Hey guys, so I thought today, since there's a snowstorm outside, it would be a good idea to clean my house and decorate for Valentine's Day. I am planning on doing a Valentine's Day dinner for the girls, and my parents are gonna come and the girls are gonna wear a dress and I'm gonna wear a dress and just do a little fancy kind of Valentine's Day dinner just to make it special. And I thought it would be fun to carry this as a tradition for the girls. So some of this stuff, all of this stuff is from the dollar store, but some of it I'm going to be using for the dinner, like these adorable paper plates. These were $1.25, and then matching napkins were also $1.25. And I got these I love you balloons and some other balloons. Like these are all $2.50. I've seen balloons like this at Walmart for $6. So if you should definitely check out your local dollar store because they are just super affordable. I'm not going to do my entire house. I kind of want to stick to like the kitchen or the fireplace mantles and the dining room, but you can totally do this on a budget, and I'm really excited to share it with you because the dollar store has amazing things. I could have gone a little bit more crazy, but I don't want to spend too much money. I just want to do it very minimalistic, and I thought that something like this would be good for toddlers too, this little decorative sticker. So we could stick this like on the wall as a little backsplash. You could stick it anywhere on the sliding glass doors in the back. God bless you. My 2-year-old, God bless you. So I thought that would be a cute thing for her. And another affordable thing that you can do is I bought this canvas right here from the dollar store. It was $2. And I had some of these little crafty hearts, and I bought pink, red, and purple paint and some stickers and glitter, and Blake painted this picture. So this is an easy, affordable way to decorate part of your home, and it's sentimental because your child did it. So I think that it's just, you don't have to go crazy to decorate. I think you can totally do it on a budget. So I'm gonna first start by doing some dusting because I really need to dust my house. I need to wash the stairs, but my 10-month-old Olivia is sleeping right now, so I don't know how much of this I'm gonna get done. I have Blake watching a show right now, so I just gotta do this really quick. So let's try and get this all done in an hour. Wish me luck. I've been waiting all my life for someone like you. I would watch the days go by, wasted in blue. I was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose.
feeling that I let you slip away, and maybe I can say this how could I be so stupid? Yeah, I feel so useless. You deserve better than this. And I will try.
The girls are in bed, but I just wanted to share how you can reuse some of your decor at different seasons. So like this thing of flowers, this flower arrangement was upstairs in my bedroom, and I thought, how Valentine's Day appropriate would it be maybe right here on that mantle? And then this one was from Olivia's room, so I thought I could put that on the other mantle, and then I'm gonna put some flowers on the table as well. So I'll show you guys what that looks like.
Give me one more chance, my love. Give me one more chance. Give me one more chance. I promise I'll try to make you happy, be the best I can be. Oh, 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 oh. I'll do everything for ya. Ain't nothing that I wouldn't do, 'cause you deserve better than this. And I will try to fix it. Take me back into your arms. I wanna dance with you, my love, and be next to you beneath the stars. Give me one more chance, my love. Take me back into your arms. I wanna dance with you, my love, and be next to you beneath the stars. Give me one more chance, my love. Give me one more chance. Give me one more chance. Right off the bat, I knew I loved you. You had that sparkle in your eyes, some kind of shimmer in your presence, unlike no other I had met. You got me spinning out of context, not really sure what I should do. This is the reason
I should mention that the cleaning products that I'm using are by the company Shackley. I shared them in a previous vlog, but I will leave the link to where you can purchase them down below. I am not sponsored or affiliated with them in any way. I just love their products because they're 100% organic, biodegradable, safe. You can use them on pacifiers, on vegetables and fruit. So you get like this soap concentrate, and you can make your own degreaser, all-purpose cleaner, and a window cleaner. And I have the dish soap, and you guys saw me use the dishwasher soap. I also have to empty the dishwasher. I just forgot that. So I'm gonna do that. And then I'm gonna take a break because I have to wait till Colin comes home so he can watch the girls while I put some clothes away upstairs, vacuum the upstairs. And I'm gonna wash the floors tonight because I just find there's no point in washing the floors during the day when the girls are still awake and there's gonna be food all over the floor after supper. So I think for now I'm done. I'm just gonna sit down and relax. So instead of cleaning the upstairs when Colin got home, I decided I wanted to do some baking with Miss Blake. And there goes my clean kitchen, but that's okay. She had fun, and it's about making memories. So we made chocolate cupcakes. I have to cool them, and this is dark chocolate frosting. It looks so delicious, and Colin is gonna make schnitzels tonight.
Making schnitzels.
He calls them schnitzels, but I told him that it's schnitzel.
Italian schnitzel.
Schnitzel.
The Italian schnitzel.
the Italian schnitzel. How do you say it in a German accent? What the schnitzel?
Yeah, the worst accent.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights.
Hey guys, I did not end the vlog yesterday. I know I look really rough. I have zero makeup on. Because Colin and I started watching the documentary Don't F-U-C-K with Cats. Because that was a big serial killer case, well, killer case in Canada. Against my better judgment, we started watching it, and I was like enthralled with it and like in shock, and just forgot to end the video. So today is Sunday. I have all these groceries I'm gonna put away, but I'm not gonna film today because today is family day. Colin has to leave for New York for the next 5 days, so she's gonna be me solo with the girls. And yeah, so I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video and a TTC update. We are gonna try again today because today is cycle day 16, and I have a 7.5 out of 10 chance of conceiving. So we're gonna try before he goes. So wish us luck. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.